Good day, my friends. Another recipe for you. This recipe is simple and easy to do. Start by adding some olive oil in a pan and then add 3 to 4 anchovies. Now, trust me, the anchovies are a must. It will definitely elevate the flavor of this recipe. Add some onions and let it sort of simmer for a little bit. When your onions are translucent and the anchovies are melted, add the pancetta in cubes. Add your cherry tomatoes cut in half and your garlic. Afterwards, add your clams and their juice and let it simmer for a while. Afterwards, add a nice glass of white wine and let it evaporate. Make sure that the water of the pasta is salted like the sea. And for this recipe, you would have to remove your linguine 2 minutes prior to the cooking time that is on the package of your pasta. So I use linguine, which would be 10 minutes of cooking time. So at the 8-minute mark, I take out the linguine and put them in the sauce. I then mix it very well and continue the cooking the pasta with the sauce. Maybe a good 2 to 3 more minutes, this should be fine. Afterwards, I add some parsley to the sauce. There you have it, my friends. Linguine in a bacon and clam sauce. Could we say that this is like a surf and turf kind of a pasta? Let me know. So I would really love for you guys to subscribe to my channel, like it, comment, and share it. That would be greatly appreciated. I thank you so much for watching my channel, and see you in the next recipe.